Hi guys, wanna show you this Zeiss Jena DDR 50 f2.8 lens that I have. This is the front, this is the side, this is the back. For this lens, unfortunately, I realized that um, the aperture pin somehow doesn't function. So the lens will be wide open only. You can't adjust the aperture. Yeah, sadly. I. So yeah. So the aperture, the lens focus is smooth. A bit of resistance, but it's fine. And I'm gonna show you the glass quality. Gonna do a shine test. Okay, alright, so this is the condition of the lens. And yeah, really sorry for the aperture not working. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.